Welcome back, future crypto investors. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency and want to start investing in 2024, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll cover essential strategies to help beginners navigate the crypto market successfully. Whether you're looking to understand the basics, build a diversified portfolio, or manage risks effectively, this video has got you covered. Let's dive in. Understanding the basics. First, let's quickly go over what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money that uses cryptography for security. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, created in 2009, and since then, thousands of altcoins have emerged. These digital currencies operate on decentralized networks using blockchain technology. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial for any beginner investor. Choosing the right exchange. Choosing the right cryptocurrency exchange is your next step. Popular exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken offer user-friendly interfaces and a wide range of cryptocurrencies to trade. Ensure the exchange you select is reputable, has good security measures, and offers the cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Building a diversified portfolio. One of the key strategies for successful investing is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different types of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and promising altcoins like Solana, Polkadot, and Cardano. This reduces risk and increases the chances of higher returns. Research and analysis. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, do thorough research. Look at the project's white paper, team, use case, and community support. Use tools like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko to track market trends and analyze historical data. Staying informed about the latest news and developments in the crypto space is also essential. Risk management. Investing in cryptocurrency comes with its risks. To manage these risks, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and avoid making impulsive decisions based on market hype or FOMO, fear of missing out. Having a solid risk management strategy is crucial for long-term success. Long-term versus short-term investing. Decide whether you want to be a long-term investor or a short-term trader. Long-term investing involves holding on to your assets for years, benefiting from overall market growth. Short-term trading, on the other hand, involves frequent buying and selling to capitalize on market volatility. Both strategies have their pros and cons, so choose the one that fits your goals and risk tolerance. Keeping your investments secure. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Use hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor to store your cryptocurrencies securely. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your exchange accounts, and never share your private keys with anyone. Being proactive about security will protect your investments from hacks and scams. Continuous learning. The crypto market is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is essential. Follow reputable crypto news sources, join online communities, and consider taking online courses to deepen your understanding. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Conclusion. And there you have it. Essential strategies for beginners to start and succeed in cryptocurrency investing in 2024. Remember, the key to successful investing is staying informed, diversifying your portfolio, and managing risks effectively. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more valuable crypto insights. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Happy investing!